Hi there, welcome back to my channel. And today in this video I will show you how to find saved passwords on your Google account. So follow my guide on pretty much all devices, like a phone or a computer, it doesn't matter. First of all, just come to Google and make sure you're signed into your Google account. After that, click on your profile icon in the top right. And then click on Manage your Google account. Now swipe right and click on Security. And then you need to scroll down all the way to the bottom until you go and see your Save Passwords and Password Manager. Here you will see your all account passwords saved in your Google account. But if you're struggling to find it, you can always use the search tool in the top right by clicking on that magnification glass. Now tap on any account you want to see the saved password. Here you may need to enter your phone lock password or provide a face or fingers for unlock the screen. Now tap on this icon, and here you will see your saved password. So this is how to see or view all apps' passwords saved on your Google account. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to get more update video, please hit the subscribe button and turn on all notifications icon.